Hey guys, what is good? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to the channel. You're welcome back to another beauty video. My name is Damilola, just in case you're stopping by for the first time. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to contour and highlight your face perfectly. Guys, please do not skip any part of this video. Kindly watch till the end so that you can get a seamless and perfect finish. We are starting with the highlights, and for highlights, guys, please make sure you use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your shade. So you will apply some on the inner corner of your under eye, then you apply some on the outer corner just to like lift your face. You apply some on your T-zone, that is the center of your forehead, the bridge of your nose, the top of your lips and your chin. Then you blend. Let me tell you something, guys. If you want it to look more full, as in you want a full coverage, allow the concealer to settle into the skin. Allow it to get tacky. Yeah, that's the word. Allow it to get tacky a bit before you start blending. When you start blending, just in case it's feeling like it has dried out, just spray your setting spray and blend away. Okay, one of the tricks to get a seamless finish for your makeup is to blend. You can't get tired of blending. That is me after blending. So the next thing is my blush. I went over my blush. As a beginner, please start applying your blush in small quantity, especially if it's a liquid blush. That way you are in total control. If it's not enough, you keep going back with your liquid blush until you have the perfect amount you want. This is very important because you don't want to lose control of the entire makeup. Even me, that is what I still do. Blush at times can feel overwhelming. And there, I was just trying to say, when you want to apply your blush, don't smile. Because what happens is after some times, especially if you have wrinkles or fine lines, the blush might settle into your skin. Just apply straight away. Then I also put some on my nose. After that, I set my face. Guys, it is important to swirl or dust your setting powder at the back of your hand so that the whole place does not look cakey. So I set my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, just basically everywhere that I highlighted in the beginning of this video. I mean, we want the makeup to look flawless for as long as possible. Also, it keeps the um, cream product in place. That way, it doesn't shift. Like I said, my under eyes, the center of my forehead, my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Next up is my powder blush because again we want to keep the cream product in place. We don't want it to shift. Okay, so I used the blush from Elf Beauty. Guys, that's the only surviving one. From every other one fell out. So just bear with me. After blush, we contour. As a beginner, it is advisable to use a powdered bronzer or a darker shade of powder. Just make sure you're using powder, that way you are in control. And that was me trying to show you where to ears, from the top of your ear down to your cheek. That is how you contour. Because unlike when you're highlighting, you're trying to add light, but for contour, what you're doing is you're trying to create shadow. So you typically apply on the hollows of your cheeks, your jawline, the sides of your nose, and for your cheek, like I explained earlier, you apply from the top of your ear down to your cheek. Now to the nose, we contour the nose to make it look smaller, guys. That is basically the reason why we contour our nose again, because as contouring itself is used to change and enhance the dimension of the face. So when the nose is smaller, that kinds of brings some dimension to the whole face. After that, I do a reverse contour. So I took the sharp edge of my beauty blender. I dipped it in my setting powder and I applied it right under my contour. Again, I dipped that part of the beauty blender into my setting powder again and I applied it on the outer corner of my eyes because I'm trying to create a lift to the face. Again, dimension to the face. After that, I took my compact powder and my brush, and we want to dust off this excess powder under my eyes. And I did just that on both sides of my eyes. Also, the bridge of guys, if you are doing your makeup and you've not made funny faces, did you really do your makeup? So I also dust off excess powder on the reverse contour, the bridge of my nose, and just to put everything in place. And that is how you contour your face, guys. I deliberately went off camera to do the rest of my makeup so that it doesn't take out of the essence of this video. I'm sure you've been able to learn a thing or two. Please kindly like this video, subscribe, please. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you can, please share. And I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Vlogmas continues. Bye, guys.